Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to our lecturer and my friend. Today I will present about my industry training. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Luqman bin Muhammad Nurani. My register number is 14 DKM 18F1031. I'm from DKM 6A. Okay, we go to background of organization. First, Composite Technology Research Malaysia 19 was incorporated on 20 November 1919 with the Ministry of Financial incorporated as its principal shareholder. CITAREM is entrusted with a strategic role in developing high technology based industry, namely aerospace and composite industry. CITAREM means objective and obligation is clearly to take the lead in developing the advanced composite industry in Malaysia by developing people, capability and products. CITAREM start its business operation with assembly and manufacturing of the two-seater composite like aircraft Eagle 150B. Also in November 2030, Ministry of Finance transfer its ownership in CITAREM to DRB Highcom Malaysia leading Colomicate. Okay, CITAREM Aero Composite Sdn Bhd involved in the production of composite component. CITAREM Aviation Sdn Bhd also provide MRO service, where CITAREM Excellent Engineering as the design center. Okay, you can see this place where CITAREM. You can see the front of the company and another side. Okay, next, this is my summary of activity industry training. You can see my activities week 1 until 20. Description of pre-project activities. 1. Casting process of a 315 Fancor nib left hand panel. First, to produce an a 350 Fancor nib project, we need to cut, kita perlukan pemotongan panel. This project has two group, namely one is before, two is hollow. Okay, kita akan pergi macam mana cara-cara dia, apa yang bahan perlu dipotong. First, I will tell you about before. First, we must cut PPP 002 11. Cutting the panel according to the cutting produced upon completion of the panel cutting process and folder this paper to check whether panels and jika berlaku missing ke apa-apa ke, kita boleh dapati di dalam kertasnya. Contoh dia macam lepas kita print semua material tu dekat mesin, kita kena check satu-satu. Jika ada apa-apa masalah yang berlaku kat situ, kita boleh detect dan kita boleh bagi tahu dekat mesin runner tu, cakap mesin runner tu ada apply missing, kita boleh ganti yang baru. Okay, second item is surfacing film. We do the same thing. We must cut the film surfacing panel and after we finish the card, we must check this part. Yang tiga is carbon woven. Same like that, we have the card, this panel, and also we check this price checklist. 4 is carbon woven, but this is dalam carbon material yang sama, tapi dia punya dalaman dia berbeza, dan warna dia pun juga berbeza. We do the same thing, cut the plain weaver fabric panel, and also check the panel in case dia ada berlaku kehilangan. Okay, we go to the second group, is hollow. Hollow use two material like glass fabric. Glass fabric is cut the glass fabric panel according to the cutting produced. Still the same method like before. Gunakan kertas checklist tu untuk semak jika ada to make sure tak berlaku kehilangan panel tu. Second material is cut this carbon panel also according still the same method, but different material. Industry training findings. First, giving student exchange to other department to gain new experience. Second, can improve the way we communicate with employers and supervisors. Also, gaining self-confidence increase. Lastly, can apply all the knowledge I have learning throughout my life studying at the Polytechnic. Suggestion activity during the industry training. First, a responsible attitude to take care of all equipment and item belongs to the company should be instilled in employer. Second, company needs to improve specialized work for students who undergo this industry training to be able experience working in a real environment. In conclusion, there are many things I learned during my 20 weeks of industry training here. Through this training, I was able to gain a better insight and understanding of the real industry. In addition, I was know some new tools that I have never seen, and learn how to use these tools. With this, it can give me new opportunity and experience. For me as a student who is undergoing industry training for the company, therefore I will agree that this industry training program is the best method to prepare students for the real work. Okay, for the last this picture, weekly schedule. Okay, setiap minggu kita mempunyai jadual yang baru untuk menyatakan apa yang perlu dibuat. Contoh macam Isnin kita running project apa, Selasa project apa, sampai hari Khamis. But during this pandemic, kita running company 5 hari seminggu. Okey, vector mesh ni dia macam mesh ni menjimatkan masa penggunanya. Contoh, jika kita perlu menjalan 5 projek benda yang sama atau 7 projek yang sama, kita boleh sekaligus macam sekali potong untuk 7 panel. Mesinnya dapat menjimatkan masa, tetapi dari segi performanya lambat. Ialah sebab semakin tebal punya panel tu, semakin dia punya kecepatan tu semakin slow. Okey, kalau macam Gerber DC5 500 mesin ni, dia potong satu projek satu panel. Dia cepat tapi dia dari segi performanya lambat. Ialah sebab semakin tebal punya panel tu, semakin dia punya kecepatan tu semakin slow. Okey, kalau macam Gerber DC5 500 mesin ni, dia potong satu projek satu panel. Dia cepat tapi dia punya cara segi pemotongan tu lambat. Okay, type of material ni jenis-jenis material yang berada di dalam kitting tu. Macam tadi ada 7 atau 8 lah. Ini dia punya whole material lah yang berada di dalam tu. Okay, sekian itu saja. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I'm not very good in English, but I'm trying to speak. Terima kasih. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.